The greenhouse effect is a process by which thermal radiation from a planetary surface is absorbed by atmospheric greenhouse gases and is re-radiated in all directions. Since part of this re-radiated is back towards the surface and the lower atmosphere, it results in an elevation of the average surface temperature above what it would be in the absence of the gases. What is this effect? The Earth is continually affected by the electromagnetic radiation emitted by the Sun. Some of this radiation is absorbed by the atmosphere, but the vast majority affects the Earth's crust. Part of this radiation is absorbed by the surface, part is reflected. The reflected part generates the greenhouse effect. But why is so much talk of greenhouse effect? In recent decades, the greenhouse effect has intensified because of the emission into the atmosphere of a number of gases, which have resulted in an increase in the average temperature of the Earth. The main gases that are considered responsible for this increase are methane, water, vapor, nitrous oxides, chlorofluorocarbons, and carbon dioxide. Why the greenhouse effect is dangerous? The main results of the greenhouse effect is the rise in the global temperature. It is estimated that over the next 25 and 40 years, the temperature is likely to increase by around 2 grades. Seem to be very few, but it really is a large variation that can result in very large problems. First of all, the extension of the arid areas. To the north, the rise in the sea level. Why can you reduce the greenhouse effect? Unfortunately, the greenhouse effect is an extremely complex phenomenon and therefore still subject to large studies. There are several theories and interpretations of the same. But we can reduce the use of the fossil fuel, like oil, coal, gas, etc. And we can increase the land surface dedicated to the forest, where thanks to the photosynthesis, the carbon dioxide is absorbed and destroyed. Unfortunately, both of these types are in open contrast with current trends, as well demonstrated by the meeting of Kyoto and the most recent meeting in Europe.